Hello again, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. How have you all been? I just wanted to take this moment of me making my bed as a metaphor for me getting my shit together. I know I've been away for literally 2 years now, and it feels like I just came in one day, posted one video, and disappeared. When in actuality, I have actually been filming content till date, but I just couldn't get around to editing it or polishing it enough to share or put out there for a bunch of reasons. Some being that life was happening, I was in a different city pursuing a diploma, then I moved back to my hometown, and others being more focused around putting too much pressure on myself as to why I'm making this, what I'm making, would anyone even watch it. But recently I just came to a realization that it does not have to be that serious, and I can continue doing this for fun and for all the excitement it brings. Like, I truly enjoy filming and I love to share these sort of things, especially as someone who loves to try out new hobbies, recipes, and just anything literally. And I love exploring things like that, so I thought it would be quite a nice experience to just document it all and put it here, even if nobody's willing to watch it or just two people are watching it, but just even for my own self. So here I am back on this channel, hoping to be regular and hoping to share a bunch of different things that I like doing. We're gonna start out slow and steady and build along as we go, and I hope you enjoy this journey of following me being me, aka BeingNish. Happy watching! Here is some footage of me making dinner, and for dinner usually in my house we focus on creating more protein packed and protein heavy dinners. Usually we choose to eat meat for dinners, and most often it's either chicken breast or chicken keema prepared in some way. So today I was making some chicken keema, and using that I was basically making chicken chapli kebabs. So those are for those who don't know, they are flat kebabs that you can make on your pans with minced meat, some veggies such as tomato, garlic, onions, and seasonings, Indian spices and seasonings like your coriander, green chili, red chili powder, turmeric, salt, pepper, chicken masala, and that kind of flavor profile basically. So I was prepping all the ingredients right now. So you can see me poorly chopping a tomato. I'm not usually this bad. I don't know what was going on with me that day. I was also very tired after like a day out, I remember. So this was basically me prepping all the ingredients before I start making everything. So as you will see later on in the video, I will be putting down what I used and how I made the kebabs, so that you can also make them if you want to try it out. It's a very simple recipe. It takes around an hour if I include the resting time, of course, but it usually gets done pretty easily and doesn't take too long. And usually I sort of make it in a way that I prep the meat, marinate it, then set it aside to rest for 30 minutes, which you will see later on. And then I usually go take a shower or do something else that I need to do that day. And then I come back to just cooking the meat. On the pans, it usually takes like 4-5 minutes on each side. So like the cooking time overall is not as long. Once you prep everything up, it hardly takes a lot of effort. So it's quite easy to put in our regular rotation of meals. So now I'm gonna shut up and I'm gonna let you enjoy watching the rest of this video and recipe, and I hope you try it out and I hope you like it.